Suppose you have a bag of 30 M&M candies. You pour them out and count how many of each color there are. There's 7 blue, 3 brown, 5 green, 6 orange, 4 red, and 5 yellow. Make a frequency table for the colors of the candies in your pack. Make a dot plot based on your frequency table. Label your x-axis and title your graph. So we're going to start with our frequency table. So I might go ahead and label colors. And I know that we have the colors blue, brown, green, orange, red, and yellow. And then I want to go ahead and list the frequencies. So here we would have 7 blue, 3 brown, 5 green, 6 orange, 4 red, and 5 yellow. So there's my frequency table. And then I'm going to make a dot plot of this. So let me go ahead and put my horizontal axis on here, and I'm going to put my colors along the horizontal axis. I'm just going to stick with it in the order that we have, which I think is alphabetical. So that's going to be for my dot plot, and then I'm going to go ahead and just use dots, but you could technically use X's. So I'm going to do 7 dots above the blue. And then I'm going to do 3 dots above the brown, and I'm going to be careful to make sure that this actually lines up, right? So like I don't want to squeeze in those 3 in less space or more space than the first 3 on the blue. And then let's do 5 green. Doing my best to make my dots the same size. And to evenly space. So then 6 orange. 4 red. You could certainly color code that. That would make it interesting considering the different colors. I'm gonna move that just a bit because I want to make sure it looks like it's lined up with the other ones. And then finally 5 yellow. And then I'm going to go ahead and put a label on my horizontal axis and title my graph. So I'm just going to put colors here, and then I'll just give it a relevant title. Anything that's relevant, I'm going to say M&M candies.